Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
So me have a choice, why. Glow my baby, glow my baby. You man in your life, I need to show my baby.
Me and you, man?
Yeah.
Me have the agreement there?
Yeah.
Let me get this straight. We fuck one time. Not uno does stress one fucking time. So how me become your new man? And stop front for people and tell like about glow my baby. Me now make you glow. Tell the people them say Red Lobster where I come from. And you eat 10 plate of blood clot crab leg with a long belly bumbo clot tell about me a new man. Come out of my car. Come out of my bumbo clot car. Babes. What? Babes, I joke me now, man. Come here now. Come in the car, man. Come here. Move from a bumper clock here and go. Go! Be a pussy hole.
Yo, my youth, watch a girl there.
Yo, Bandu leg, the Lord is my shepherd, I see what I want. What?
Yo, baby girl, my pray for your number, you know.
You ask your mother for your number, you Jamaican booty scratcher.
Hey, girl, we are called Jamaican booty scratcher.
I want this my youth. Want you? You think someone not get that number they watch ya? Ah, this good.
No, you can't want you. Hey, girl, come here.
He's gonna come.
Wait number, give me your number now.
699, never mind. Oh my God. Oh.
You think this is a joke thing? You want me to use this and comb your ear right now? Give me your number.
Okay, 876-345-8891. Oh my God.
Alright, all them things I may call you later. Make sure you pick up in, you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, my youth. I'm gonna tell him I get the number.
Where's the jacket and shirt?
Oh, no, man, I give it to her. She look like she cool and thing like that. You know what I say? So you have to be thoughtful.
Yo, you are crazy, son.
Yo, turn on the heat now. My nipple them cold, dog.
Yeah, Shan, I said I kicked on a girl last night, but she run up on Prince. But Prince, so let's kick that blood. No, Shan, I say I get a piss on the ground. Shan, I get a piss on the ground. I'm so call him back.
Dog, a beer rain fall today in Kingston, you know, dog. Get dog from morning rain a fall. I'm here see every way. Eh? What if the fall of Jamaica too? Awa. Acha, come in, dog.
Dear Father up above, please may I beg you. Cure them people of them foolishness, no man. What wrong with that woman, ya man? What that? Like me say, no man. Me's a man, me no cuss people like that. But if you do foolishness, me I go cuss it. Look on a idiot, ya. Come out in a some street sweeper looking eyelashes. Eyelashes them look like thatch roof. You don't know what thatch roof look like? Let me show you. Like me not understand, like you can't even lift up your eyelid with that. Can you imagine the struggle? Look like you have two wild animal on your eyelid. Or if you blink too fast, you probably take off. This girl try fly with her eye them. But if you can't find a broom in your house, at least you can use your eyelashes them and sweep up the floor. They don't even look like fake eyelashes. Look like you get two makeup brush, pop off the brush bit, and stuck them on your eyelid. I know surely no dust can go in your eye. Them eyelash they name Dust Protector. I wonder if when she go to bed at night, she put a scarf around. You know, like when the girl them wrap them here to make sure it no mess up. One day she wrap her eyelid them to make sure it no mess up.
What them feel like? How boots make you feel like? What them feel like? Hey, 17 a bad man thing. We no toe we not the ramping. Now waste your time, try study way. Who's I tell them man a top ranking? Go tell them, I know my fault make some man regular. I know my fault make some man stop. Feel angry, someone who I got dead in ya. Full of chat and the whole of them broke. I know my fault, I love of the Gina. I throw the volume, turn up till it poke. I know my fault, so don't blame me. Where with the crosses, I don't heal me. Oh, someone who love for laba so that's why me disappear.
Movies? Me tell us I give you money to go movies. When you are bald for choose them and quiz me. Serve you right. What are you drinks for?
Tap 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 tap. Facebook era, buck at it again. I you know when me come fi talk, me come fi talk. I you know when me come fi talk, me come fi talk. Yo, my friend, I make some of them boy and girl chicken. Mount them a shop online. Around a people yard, but them a go thief or people close off of them line. Wanna see them call them wet wet. Well, a 4 pair of socks missing, Lord Jesus Christ. If you check it at a 8 socks, me a go put Geico insurance for my clothes when I get out of hand. Who not tricky about who not shop online. Around a people house back who not go thief people close off of no line. When me soon no I call you no wet wet. No man, Geico. When me done me go call Geico insurance who not get out of hand and trick people but who not shop on Amazon. When next one name? When next one name me not know when name but who not trick people but who not shop online and a people backyard now go thief clothes off of people line. Me not trust you now again, no can't trick we. Boys and girls, let's come together and tell them so we want receipt. We need receipt. Are you guys want when the mailman drop you on the yard? Why?
You know what? Clap my
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanye Clark. Peace.